We're here with Gabby and Amy as we are traveling just about 6 hours by train from Shanghai to Nanchang.
Yeah.
What are you guys looking forward to for the second part of our big tour of China?
I'm looking forward to more of the countryside and being greener than the city.
Cool.
I'm
Amy?
looking forward to seeing the coffins and stuff hanging from the mountain, and that was all natural. They don't know how that all happened and everything. And we're actually staying by that, so I'm really excited to see how that is, and just kind of more hiking and stuff like that, outdoorsy stuff. So.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
Yep.
You are the first group of exchange students from our sister schools in the United States. So, just like I said last night, thank you and welcome. So, this morning...